How to insert accent marks in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. I have written this word. Make sure your cursor is where you want the accent mark to be. Then, at the top, click on Insert. In Insert, you'll find Symbol at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on Symbol, click on More Symbols, which will open these options. In here, make sure you've selected Symbols and make sure the font is normal text. Then on the right side, you will find Basic Latin and other subsets. Select the one you prefer. After you have done that, you will find accent options. Select the one you prefer. After you've selected the one you prefer, press on Insert at the bottom and your accent marks will be inserted. This is how to insert accent marks in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.